In a sharp turnabout, federal health officials on Thursday advised that Americans who are fully vaccinated against the coronavirus may stop wearing masks or maintaining social distance in most indoor and outdoor settings, regardless of size. The advice from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention comes as welcome news to Americans who have tired of restrictions and marks a watershed moment in the pandemic. Masks ignited controversy in communities across the United States, symbolizing a bitter partisan divide over approaches to the pandemic and a badge of political affiliation. Permission to stop using them now offers an incentive to the many millions who are still holding out on vaccination. As of Wednesday, about 154 million people have received at least one dose of a COVID-19 vaccine, but only about one-third of the nation, some 117.6 million people, have been fully vaccinated. Individuals are considered fully vaccinated 2 weeks after the one-dose Johnson & Johnson shot or the second dose of either Pfizer-BioNTech or Moderna vaccine series. But the pace has slowed. Providers are administering about 2.16 million doses per day on average, about a 36% decrease from the peak of 3.38 million reported in mid-April. At the White House Thursday, President Biden hailed the new recommendations as a milestone in the nation's effort to beat back the pandemic. "Today is a great day for America," Mr. Biden said during an address in the Rose Garden, where he and Vice President Kamala Harris appeared without masks on. "You've earned the right to do something that Americans are known for all around the world, greeting others with a smile." The new advice comes with caveats. Even vaccinated individuals must cover their faces and physically distance when going to doctors, hospitals or long-term care facilities like nursing homes, when traveling by bus, plane, train or other modes of public transportation, or while in transportation hubs like airports and bus stations, and when in prisons, jails or homeless shelters. At a White House news conference earlier in the day, Dr. Rochelle P. Walensky, the CDC director, warned that unexpected twists in the pandemic could require the C to once again amend the guidance. "Fully vaccinated people who develop symptoms should still use masks and get tested," she said. Asked how the new guidance might apply to businesses and schools, she said that the agency was working to issue new recommendations soon for specific settings, including for summer camps and travel, which would be published soon. In deference to local authorities, the C said vaccinated Americans must continue to abide by existing state, local, or tribal laws and regulations, and follow local rules for businesses and workplaces. Still, the changes are likely to galvanize Americans who have become unaccustomed to appearing in public unmasked, or to seeing others do so.